What's going on, you guys? Cameron here with another YouTube video. This video is going to be super simple. I'm going to explain how you can have a text box field or a number field. So, and let's say you have a number field. I'm going to go to the database portion of the database of the FileMaker file. And within FileMaker, you have a table, and within this table, you have fields. And let's say you have a number field. You have a field that's called number or cost or amount, you can say. And let's say this field is a number type field, meaning that it's going to store pretty much numbers. You have text field, number, date, time, timestamp, container, calculation, and summary. Well, let's say you have a number field, and let's say you have data for storing pricing, like currency. So let's say instead of wanting to see five, let's say you wanted to see a $sign, five, and the cents, like two decimals worth of the cents portion of currency. With the field selected, you can go over to your side panel inspector, and under the data view, you scroll down to format, and this drop down menu will show different types of fields that you can do for the number field. And for ours, we're going to select currency. And within the currency, you can have a specific number of decimals that you want to see. Typically in currency, we only see two. And you can also do 1,000 separator, which is typically a comma. So now when we go back to our layout and browse mode, we see a true currency view of $5. And I'm going to show you $1,000 and show you how it shows the comma there for thousands. And another thing, just to go a little bit beyond just currency status, there's also formatting status for currency. So when this is more so for negative numbers on how you want it to format when it is a negative number. Typically, I go with this one. It's typically the default. And when you have a negative number, you can actually change the color of the text as well. So I'm going to demonstrate that now. You have negative $1,000, and now you can show that it is red. Something that is also cool is you can do a formatting of the symbol. So the symbol can change if it's on the inside, the outside of the negative icon. You can do the negative icon in parentheses. This is another thing that's pretty big in currency. It's typically in parentheses when it's considered a negative number, um, as well as, um, let's see here, you can change it to where the $sign is in the parentheses as well. So this is something that you can play around with and try to suit your needs for what you want to do when you have a negative number or just a number in general. So I hope this video is straightforward, straight to the point, gets the job done for you. And please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. I'm really close to 1,000 subscribers, trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark for YouTube to try to get to my monetization. So I would really appreciate it if you please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Until next time.